Coffee, a staple beverage for millions worldwide, is more than just a drink that starts the day. Behind each cup lies a long journey filled with dedication, from the ripe coffee cherries on the trees to the meticulous processing that transforms them into high-quality coffee beans. In Asia, coffee is not just an industry but a cultural symbol, an inspiration for creativity, and a story of remarkable success. Although coffee originated in Africa, it is in Asia where the crop has taken root and flourished, becoming a vital agricultural product in countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, India, and Thailand. Coffee, more than just a drink. Cultural connection. In many countries, coffee serves as a bridge for cultural exchange, a space for people to share stories and ideas over steaming cups of coffee. Diverse varieties. Beyond Arabica and Robusta. Asia is also famous for unique products like kopi luwak, civet coffee, and egg coffee, drawing global attention. Asia is home to fertile lands and ideal climates for coffee cultivation. Thanks to its tropical monsoons, nutrient-rich soils, and high altitudes, prominent coffee-growing regions, Vietnam, the Central Highlands, especially Dark Lak and Lam Dong, are the coffee capitals, producing millions of tons of high-quality Robusta. Arabica from Khao Dat, Dalat, is renowned for its delicate aroma. Indonesia, Java and Sumatra Islands are famous for their robust Robusta and the unique kopi luwak. India, Karnataka is the epicenter of Arabica production, employing advanced farming techniques. The process of harvesting coffee cherries is crucial in determining the final quality of the beans. Across Asia, farmers combine traditional hand-picking with modern techniques to ensure each cherry meets high standards. Traditional harvesting methods. Selective picking. Farmers hand-pick only ripe cherries, ensuring optimal sweetness and balanced acidity. A coffee tree may be harvested multiple times in a single season to maintain uniform quality. On-site pre-processing. After picking, cherries are washed, sorted, and prepared for initial processing to retain their freshness. Modern mechanization. In larger plantations, advanced machinery is utilized to reduce labor intensity, boost productivity, and maintain consistency. Traditional and modern processing methods. Wet processing, washed. Coffee cherries are washed, pulped, and fermented to remove the mucilage surrounding the beans. Fermented beans are washed again and sun-dried, preserving their refined and clean flavors. Ideal for Arabica. Dry processing, natural. Cherries are dried naturally under the sun, allowing the sugars in the fruit to infuse into the beans, creating a bold and sweet flavor profile. This method is common for Robusta in Vietnam and Indonesia. Honey processing, a hybrid of wet and dry methods, where part of the mucilage is retained, producing a unique sweetness and aroma. Modern technology in processing. Countries like Vietnam and Indonesia employ industrial dryers and automated systems to ensure uniform quality, reducing time and labor. Diversified products. Instant coffee. Vietnam is one of the world's leading exporters of instant coffee. Brands like G7 and Vinacafe have captivated international markets. Specialty coffee. Arabica from Caudat and Robusta from dark lac are processed to international standards, catering to coffee connoisseurs worldwide. Organic coffee. With the growing trend of sustainable consumption, organic coffee, free of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, is gaining popularity. Coffee exports. Nations like Vietnam, Indonesia, and India have emerged as top coffee exporters, supplying premium products to demanding markets such as the US, the EU, and Japan. Key challenges. Climate change, impacting productivity and coffee quality. Global competition. Asian coffee must compete with producers like Brazil and Colombia. Innovative solutions. Adoption of sustainable farming practices, drought-resistant coffee varieties, and supply chain improvements. Investments in processing technology and national branding to elevate the global reputation of Asian coffee. From the lush green coffee plantations to the aromatic cups enjoyed by coffee lovers worldwide, the journey of coffee in Asia embodies tireless effort, technological innovation, and a deep passion for this extraordinary beverage. If you're fascinated by the story of coffee's journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll bring you more inspiring agricultural stories from across Asia.